Is the Traeger Ironwood 650 still worth buying today? And would I buy another one? Let's find out. This is the Traeger Ironwood 650. I bought it back in 2020, so I've had about 6 years of cooking on it. Everything from ribs, pulled pork, burgers, hot dogs, and even pizza. Let's jump into the overview and let's go right inside our Ironwood. Inside we have 650 inches of cooking space. We have a bottom rack that we can move down to the bottom so we can get closer to the heat so we can sear steaks or anything like that. The top shelf is here. It's removable, so if you want to put multiple pork butts in there, you'll have plenty of room to do that. On the side, we have insulated sides on the Ironwood. The top is not, the lid is not insulated, but it does have this gasket that runs to really keep and retain heat on the inside. On the outside, we have our shelf, which is an additional accessory, but one that I think is absolutely needed. On the side, we have this nice shelf where we can put our spatulas or any of our cooking utensils. These wheels, I love them. I'm so happy that they're on here. I use it all the time. I'm so glad that I don't have to pick up one side. It's got 4 wheels, coasters on this side, and then big wheels on that side. Let's look at our control panel. And inside our pellet hopper, a ginormous pellet hopper. I'm telling you, these pellets last forever in here if you fill it up. Got a little storage area for your thermometer or cord or anything you want to put in there. This is convection. You'll notice there's not a smokestack coming out one of the sides. It takes the smoke and circles it back and rotates it for a really good cook. And on the back, you can see where that smoke can kind of come out. That's our draft exhaust. And then on the back here, we have our on switch, and then we have our pellet hopper clean out. What are the things I like about the Ironwood 650? Well, let's start with the fact that every time I use it, I feel like a pro, regardless of what I'm cooking. It's so convenient and easy to put food on and to set the temperature and walk away that I feel like a pro every time I use it. Next is the cooking space. There's so much cooking space here. There are so many times that I'm able to cook appetizers and our main meal at the same time and then pull the appetizers off and have my meat ready to go after that. Finally, there's an app that comes for the Traeger, which has allowed me to cook from work. And what I have done is I have put it on before I go to work, and then I set the temperature and I monitor it on my phone. I put the meat probe in it, and when it hits temperature, it notifies me on the app, and then I can put the keep warm option on, and then it's ready to go when I get home. I'm telling you, this thing is awesome. What do I not like? Well, there's not anything that I don't like, but I do have one thing that has happened to me. On the control panel, when I go to turn the temperature, it jumps. See, I just turned it 2 clicks and it went to 185. Now it's working, and now it jumped to 205. So that's just one thing that you see it jump to 235 there after just turning it 1 turn. That's just a pet peeve. Honestly, I use the app so much that I set a quick temperature on here and I adjust it on the app. So it hasn't been a huge problem, but that is the only thing that's gone wrong on this in the 6 years that I've had it. And it's not an inconvenience so much that I feel like I need to replace the control panel. Also thought I'd show you guys real quick this cart that I got on Amazon. It was extremely affordable, but this allows me to do all of my prep work outside and keep it out of the kitchen, which my wife really appreciates. That toolbox was separate. That's just where I keep my extra pans and stuff, but it's got wheels. I can move it around. It's easy to clean. I'll see if I can find the link and put it in the description. All right, final verdict. Would I buy the Ironwood 650 again? Absolutely. This is my all-time favorite thing to cook on when I have friends over or for my family. It makes me feel like a pro, and I absolutely love it, and I would recommend it to anyone. If you'd like to support the channel, there are links in the description below with the loadout bucket or any of the things that you see here, including the Traeger Ironwood 650. Appreciate you guys watching. Thanks as always.